Did you know that 95% of your decisions, actions, and thoughts are controlled by your subconscious mind? Yep, you heard that right. 95%. So technically, you're only consciously aware of about 5% of what you do every day. If your brain were a smartphone, your subconscious mind would be that mysterious background software running the entire show, and you didn't even know you downloaded it. Hello, Brainiacs, and welcome to Brainwaves. In this video, we're diving deep, and I mean deep, into the hidden world of your subconscious mind. We'll show you how it operates, why it's so powerful, and how understanding it could genuinely change your life. We'll debunk some myths, talk about its secrets, and even explore ways to tap into this mental supercomputer. So, if you're ready to meet the wizard behind the curtain of your thoughts, grab a snack and let's jump in. Chapter 1. What is the subconscious mind? Okay, let's get the basics straight. The brain is often divided into two main parts: the conscious mind and the subconscious mind. The conscious mind is like the CEO of your brain. It makes decisions, plans, and solves problems. It's also the part of you that's watching this video and wondering if you left the oven on. The subconscious mind, on the other hand, is the hard-working, behind-the-scenes intern. It does all the heavy lifting, like storing your memories, habits, beliefs, and automatic behaviors. It's the reason you can ride a bike, brush your teeth, or drive home without even thinking about it. To put it simply, the conscious mind is your awareness, while the subconscious mind is everything else. It's like the silent but powerful hard drive of your brain that influences every decision, feeling, and reaction you have without you even knowing it. Fun fact, your subconscious can process about 11 million pieces of information per second, while your conscious mind can only handle about 40. 40! That's like bringing a teaspoon to a flood. Chapter 2. The hidden secrets of the subconscious mind. Here's where things get really interesting. The subconscious mind is not just a vault of memories and habits. It's also where your beliefs and self-identity live. And what's wild is that many of these beliefs were formed when you were just a kid. Remember that time your teacher told you you weren't good at math? Yep, your subconscious probably stored that away as a belief. Or when you overheard someone say you're shy. Boom, into the subconscious it goes. And suddenly, you're the shy person at every party. Your subconscious is constantly recording and filing experiences. The good, the bad, and the ugly. These stored beliefs shape how you see the world and yourself. If you've ever wondered why you keep sabotaging your goals or repeating patterns, the answer likely lies in your subconscious programming. Chapter 3. Common misconceptions about the subconscious mind. Now let's clear up some common myths about the subconscious mind. Myth number 1, the subconscious mind is mystical or magical. Nope, it's not some spiritual entity or magic spell. It's just science. Your brain has evolved to store information and automate processes to help you survive and thrive. It's powerful, sure, but it's not magic. Myth number 2. You can control your subconscious mind instantly. Sorry to break it to you, but reprogramming your subconscious takes time and effort. It's like learning a new language or training a dog. You've got to be patient. Myth number 3. The subconscious mind is all negative. A lot of people think the subconscious is just a storehouse for traumas and bad beliefs. Not true. It also contains positive habits, creativity, and intuition. Your subconscious is like a garden. If you plant good seeds, you'll get good results. Chapter 4. How the subconscious mind influences your behavior. Now here's where things get real. The subconscious mind influences almost everything you do. From how you react to stress, to the way you approach relationships and success. Here are a few examples. Habits and routines. Ever get in the car and drive to work on autopilot? That's your subconscious running the show. Emotional reactions. If someone criticizes you and you suddenly feel defensive or hurt, that's likely an automatic response buried in your subconscious. Decision-making. You might think you're making conscious choices, but your subconscious biases and beliefs often call the shots. The subconscious is like a personal assistant who thinks they know what you want. If you've programmed it to believe you're not good enough, it'll work overtime to keep you in your comfort zone. That's why uncovering and challenging these beliefs is so important. Chapter 5. How to tap into the subconscious mind. So how do you start working with your subconscious instead of against it? Here are 2 powerful techniques to get started. Mindfulness. Mindfulness helps you become aware of your thoughts and feelings in the moment. By observing your thoughts without judgment, you can start to recognize subconscious patterns and beliefs. Try this. Sit quietly for 5 minutes and just notice your thoughts. Don't engage with them, just watch. It's like people watching, but in your brain. Journaling. Down your thoughts can help you uncover subconscious beliefs and patterns. Ask yourself questions like, what's holding me back? What beliefs do I have about myself? Why do I react the way I do to certain situations? The more you explore your subconscious, the easier it becomes to rewrite the script. Chapter 6. Why understanding the subconscious mind is life-changing. Your subconscious mind isn't you, but it influences everything you do. By understanding it and learning to work with it, you can break free from limiting beliefs, change bad habits, and unlock your full potential. Imagine what you could achieve if you reprogrammed your subconscious to believe you're confident, capable, and unstoppable. You'd be a force to be reckoned with. Your subconscious mind controls 95% of your thoughts and actions. It's where your habits, beliefs, and memories are stored. So, here's our challenge to you. Spend 5 minutes today observing your thoughts or journaling about what's holding you back. We promise you'll learn something surprising about yourself. Now we want to hear from you. Do you recall a time when your subconscious mind influenced you? Drop a comment below and share your thoughts. Thanks for watching. And if you want to dive deeper into topics like this, check out our next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss out. See you in the next one.